Hello everybody, welcome again to the class of Kinematics and Dynamics of Machinery course. In the previous segment, we have seen the example of using the velocity image in the analysis. Today, we will see another example which is maybe more complex for you. It is a stone crusher mechanism. You see that there is the triangle link, or we call as the complex link. That is the link number 3. We want to know what is the magnitude and direction of the angular velocity of the link 6, and we know that link number 2 is rotating with the angular velocity 2 radians per second. The direction is clockwise. As usual, we construct the velocity equation for the link number 3 or the line AB. That is, Vb is Va plus Vba. The direction of Vb is perpendicular with O4b, just as you can see in the slide, and Va is perpendicular with O2a because of its pure rotation movement, and Vba is perpendicular to the line AB or BA. We do not know the magnitude of Vb. We know the magnitude of Va because we already know the magnitude and direction of the angular velocity of the link number 2. So Va is omega 2 times O2a. Next, we do not know the magnitude of Vba. To solve the problem, we can use the velocity polygon. In constructing the polygon, we start with the vector Va because we know the direction and the magnitude. So there's a OV, and then this vector is Va. This point should be the point A. And then we draw the direction of Vb through OV because Vb is the absolute velocity. Next, we draw the direction of Vba, and then we see there is the intersection, so we can complete the velocity polygon. This is the vector of the Vb, and then this is the vector of Vba. And this is the point A, and this point is the joint B. Next step is we want to find the location of the point C in the polygon. To do that, we can use the line AC and BC of the link number 3. First, we draw a line perpendicular to the line BC in the mechanism, just as you can see at here. Then, we move this line to the polygon through the point B. Next, we draw a line perpendicular to AC, as you can see at here, and move this line to the polygon through the point A. You see the intersection of the line AC and BC, so this point should be the point C. Now we get the triangle ABC in the polygon. Next step is the velocity analysis for link number 5, that is Vd is Vc plus Vdc. We know the direction of the Vd, that is perpendicular with O6d, so this is the line of O6d, and the direction of the Vd is this line. And we know the direction of the Vc from the previous analysis. So in the polygon, we already have the point C, so we know the direction of the Vc. Next is we know the direction of Vdc, that is perpendicular with the line DC. We do not know the magnitude of Vd and Vdc, but we only know the magnitude of Vc. So at here we have two unknowns, and we want to solve it by using the polygon. First, we draw the Vdc. We move this line to the polygon, become here through point C. Next, we draw the line of the direction of Vd, just like this line. And we see there is the intersection, and finally we can complete the polygon. This is the vector of the Vdc, and this is the polygon or the vector of Vd. And this point, the intersection point, is the point D. Finally, we can calculate omega 6 by Vd over O6d, and the direction is counterclockwise. That's all for this segment. Thank you, and see you again in the next segment.